Hello ladies, welcome back to Much More Than Beauty. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing the makeup version of Tamera's look that I recreated on myself. So she wore this look last Monday on the reel and I absolutely loved it. So I decided to record it and share it with you ladies. So if you're interested in seeing this look, keep watching. So starting with the makeup, first, I used e.l.f.'s Sheer Eyeshadow Primer, and I put that on my lids to prep my eyes for the eyeshadows I'm going to be using. For this look, I'm using TooFaced Sweet Peach Palette, and starting off with the white peach color, I'm going to apply that to the tear duct area. Next, I'm using Slimmer Yum and Puree, and applying that to my crease. Next, I'm going in with the color Detectable, and I'm going to apply this on my outer corners. I'm also bringing the color down towards my bottom lid. Now I'm going to be using Talk to Me Derby, which is like a darker purple, and I'm going to apply it over the other color, so just to darken the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm going in with the color Georgia and I'm applying that to my lids. So for eyeliner, I'm using e.l.f.'s liquid eyeliner in the color Charcoal. And so I noticed that after I created this look, Tamera really didn't have a wing eye, so you don't have to really wing it. And now I'm using one of Andrea's lashes and going in with Maybelline's The Colossal Volum'Express Waterproof Mascara. For foundation, I'm using Mercier Flawless Fusion Foundation in the color Maple. So I'm gonna take a couple of pumps of this and just apply it all over my face. And I also like to bring it down towards my neck just to make sure I blend that in really good. Now I'm going in with Tarte's Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Concealer. I'm using the color Tan, and I like to use it like under my eyes, under like around my chin also, because I have like dark areas there, so I like to lighten it up. And using my fingers, I like to blend it really well. For my brows, I'm using e.l.f.'s Lock On Brow Cream in the color Medium Brown, and using a eyebrow brush, I'm just going to like draw in or brush on like hair strokes and just fill in my eyebrows, make it look darker and fuller. And then using a spoolie, I think that's what this tool is called, I like to brush it upwards to give it more like a natural look. Okay, so for contouring, I really love using MAC Cosmetics blush in the color Blunt, and it's because the color really, I feel, suits my skin tone. So I'm just contouring my nose, making it look slimmer. And next I'm using Tarte's blush. It's the Amazonian Clay in the color Party. And I'm applying that on the apples of my cheeks. Next, I'm going in with Tarte's Lip Surgeon's Lip Cream, and this is in the color Ravishing. So after applying this all over my lips, I like to add some gloss, some shine. So I'm using e.l.f.'s lip gloss in the color Coral Kiss. Alright ladies, that's it. This is my version of Tamera's look. And so if I was to do it again, I wouldn't go so winged on the liner and I would blend my eyeshadows better. But if you are interested in seeing the hairstyle that she did for that episode, stay tuned because that's the next video coming up. If you want to see the hairstyle I recreated inspired by Tamera on the Real episode last Monday and also the Globe Awards, stay tuned.